Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about an Illinois law, which is the Illinois Automated License Plate Reader Law. It is law number 3326. So Illinois decided that they wanted to pass a law about how data that is collected using these automated license plate readers are managed, especially as it relates to the private or personal data of individuals. So automated license plate readers, I think probably the most prevalent way that people know or understand automated license plate readers and possibly come in contact with them is, let's say, if you are on a toll road or have an iPass or some type of thing that reads license plates as people go through. You also may have interacted with these readers if you parked like at an airport or certain parking garages. They may read your license plate as well. Certain tow trucks or police cars may also have license plate readers. Sometimes those are more for the ticket parking enforcement and things like that. But automated license plate readers collect a lot of information about basically who a car belongs to. Some of these systems are also connected to, let's say, red light cameras where they're taking photographs, and also these are things that are of interest of law enforcement in certain ways. So this law is meant to make sure that the license plate readers that are used in the state of Illinois are only used for specific law enforcement purposes, and they're not abused. So some of the things that this law prohibits is it prohibits transferring this data to another state for an investigation into a person possibly seeking reproductive health. It prohibits the sharing of this information to other states related to immigration investigation or immigration status of someone. And also they want to make sure that if the data is transferred for some type of law enforcement situation, that is done in writing to make sure that it aligns with the law in the land of Lincoln. So this is pretty interesting. I've not yet seen a law in the U.S. related to license plate readers, but I think this is an interesting call out. The one thing I am seeing as a result of the post-Dobbs era in the U.S., that there are many states that are looking to create laws to try to help protect the privacy of people seeking reproductive health care, especially on an interstate basis. So I'm not sure if this is going to be a trend going forward, but I thought it was very interesting. I always like to see Illinois just passes all these laws, so I'm always interested to see the things that are in their mind in terms of what needs protecting, because I think what we're seeing is that if local municipalities, states, even governments, if they feel like they can't pass these comprehensive laws, are going very niche and very detailed into these very specific areas around data collection, data retention, and also how this data is being used in the future. That's it. Thank you.